Morning, miss, and morning, all viewers. This is my activity 3 of English. This activity say that I does write a paragraph describing your house. And my house is big. We have 5 floors and 3 rooms on each floor. A kitchen, a bathroom, a living room, a laundry room, a dining room, and a passage. I live on the other floor. I have iron chairs and and a sofa in my room apart from my bed and closet. On my first floor, I have a store where my mom works. On the top floor, I have a clothesline. My uncle lives on the fourth floor with his wife and son, and my father's live in my second floor. In the fifth floor, we stay send or other family live there. This is my describing my house. Thank you very much.